Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study BSc Psychology effectively. To truly excel, begin by deeply understanding core psychological theories and research methods. Actively engage with all course material, employing critical thinking and participating in discussions. Developing strong essay writing skills is crucial for clear and concise communication of complex ideas. Finally, utilize powerful study techniques like active recall and spaced repetition for long-term memory retention, ensuring you retain information for years, not just weeks. Moving beyond textbooks, it is vital to apply psychological concepts. Connect your theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios and analyze various case studies. Seek out and participate in research opportunities to gain invaluable practical experience, perhaps assisting on a project for 10 to 15 hours a week. Attending seminars and workshops will broaden your psychological perspective significantly. Forming study groups with 3 or 4 peers allows for discussing complex topics and sharing diverse insights, enhancing everyone's understanding. To excel in your assessments, strategic preparation is key. Practice past exam papers extensively to understand common question formats and manage your time effectively, aiming for about 2 hours per paper. Refine your critical analysis skills, which are essential for evaluating research evidence thoroughly. Always structure your essays logically, presenting clear arguments supported by robust evidence. Actively seek feedback on your assignments from tutors or peers. This is invaluable for identifying specific areas for improvement and refining your academic approach. Finally, future-proofing your psychology degree involves several steps. Explore various psychology specializations, such as clinical or cognitive, to discover your true passion. Actively network with professionals in the field. Attending at least 1 or 2 professional events annually can open doors to mentorship and opportunities. Consider postgraduate studies for advanced career paths, as many roles require a master's or doctorate. Crucially, develop transferable skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and effective communication, which are highly valued across all industries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.